Hey there! Are you looking to create a portfolio website to showcase your work and skills, but don't know where to start? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to do it with ease, even if you don't have any coding experience. A portfolio website is a great way to make a positive first impression on potential clients or employers and stand out in a competitive market. Let's get started. As always, the best place to go for this is Hostinger.com. They are offering an all-in-one website solution that includes web hosting for up to 100 websites, a free personal domain name, a professional business email address, managed WordPress hosting for optimized workflow, and a website builder for quickly launching websites without any additional costs. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to manage multiple websites, establish a professional online presence, and simplify their web hosting and website management experience. Just click Add to Cart. Choose a plan period. Then type your email here to create your account. Now choose your payment method. Then write my coupon code here, May-me, to get maximum discount. Press apply and you can see your discount here. Fill out your payment information, and then submit. This is the Hostinger dashboard. You can claim your free domain name here, or you can launch the auto setup. I'll click here, then click on Start Now, and then select Create a new website. You can choose between WordPress and the Hostinger website builder. Since I've already made some WordPress tutorials, today I am gonna walk you through the website builder method. Click on Select, then click here to claim your domain name. Write your desired name here, select the .com extension. Then click Search. Our domain is available, click on Continue. Now press on Finish Registration, and we are good to go. This is the Hostinger website builder. Hostinger's website builder offers a wide range of features that can help you create a stunning website with ease. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add and edit content on your website without any coding skills required. The builder's responsive web design ensures that your website looks great on any device, from desktop computers to mobile phones. With a range of designer-made templates and a library of royalty-free images, you can create a website that's tailored to your needs and fits your unique style. Whether you're building a personal blog or an e-commerce website, Hostinger's website builder offers the tools and features to help you create a professional-looking website with ease. So, here we can find a variety of pre-designed website templates to choose from. They are sorted by categories as you can see here. There is plenty of modern and sophisticated models, like this one. And when we choose the portfolio category, we can find many well-designed websites to go with. This one is looking good and fits a simple portfolio, so click Preview to have a look at the demo. And to start customizing, click on Start Building, and the Hostinger website builder will launch automatically. And this is the Nikvist template. To change the background image, click on this section, then click on Change Background. You can choose between a color background and an image background. I will go with image. Click here, then click on Upload Files. I will select this file that I've already downloaded. Then I click on Select. Now, to change the logo, click on the header section, and then click on Change Logo. Now click on the logo image, then click on Upload Files. Choose the logo file. Then click on Select. And our logo is changed. And from here you can slide this to resize the logo. And this one is to change the menu item spacing. To modify the navigation menu, click on the Edit Navigation button, then to remove an item, click on this setting icon, then scroll down to delete, then click here. Now I'll do the same to remove the other unnecessary pages. To make the home page visible in the menu, click on this setting icon, and then click on Show. And you can see it right here. Now I will change the news page to portfolio page. Click here, then click on Rename, and from here change the page name. To see the result, click on Update Website. Then click Preview, and this is the live website. Go back to the website editor. Now double-click on this title, and I will change it to Madash as my name abbreviation. To change this button text, click on the button, then Edit button, and then I change this to Hire Me. Now, I change this to my title, Freelance Logo Designer. Now, I will delete the unnecessary section from the home page. Select the section, and then click on the delete icon. This one I will keep it for Instagram posts. And I will delete this one, and this section I will keep it for new projects. And this one for new tutorials. I'll change this to new Instagram post. And to change the image, click here, then click on the image, and then click on Upload Files, select the image you want, then click Open. And then click on Select. Scrolling down, I'll change this to Recent Projects. This section features the latest work. So to change the displayed content, I will go to the portfolio page and modify it. So from here, I will change the background image, and make it the same as the home page. From here, I activate the fixed background option, to give the header this parallax effect. Change the title to Portfolio, scroll down. Now to change the content of the project, click on Edit Post, then select this section, and click on the Change Post Title. Change the title of the project, then click on Save. Again, click on the Change Post Title, then click on Featured Image, then click on the image, Upload Files. Then I select the image of the project. And then I click on Select. Now, I will do the same to modify the content of the next project. Returning to the home page. You can see that the featured images of the latest projects changed. Now click on Update Website, then click on Preview to see the live website. So far so good. Returning to the website editor. I'll change this to New Tutorial is out. Now to change the video, click here, then change this link with the one of the video you want to feature. This one, I've already copied it from my channel. You can change this description to whatever you want. Then click on Update Website. To change the logo image, click on it, then change image, click on the image. Scroll down to your logo, and then select it. I'll shrink it a little, then click on the logo. And from Style, click on Reset Proportions. Update the website. and click on Preview. Back to Editor. Scroll down to the footer section, click on these icons, then click on Edit Social Icons. To change the Facebook link, click on this setting icon, then click on Edit. Now I'll paste my Facebook page link. Now click here to add a new link, then I paste my YouTube channel link, and it will automatically set the YouTube icon. Update, and go check the live website. I will test the social icons. I click on YouTube, and it will redirect me to my YouTube channel. And if you missed it out, this is my latest video where I used ChatGPT to design a logo. Now, I go to the About page, I change the hero image as the other pages. Activate the fixed background option. And then I change this image to one of mine. Now I select this text and I paste my bio. Then I drag the text a little bit up. I delete the unnecessary sections, and it's done. Back to the editor. I need to add a contact page. Go to Pages and Navigation panel, then click on Add Page. Write your page name, then click on Save. For the hero image, I will select the same one, then click on Add Section. Now click on Contact Form, then choose the contact form template you want. I'll go with this one. For the title, I go to Add Element panel. Then I drag and drop the text element. I drag it up here. Then change it to Contact Me, then click on Edit Text, and change the style to Heading 1. I resize the text field. Then I change the text color to white. Update the website. And this is our portfolio website modified and ready to be used. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly web hosting solution, Hostingo has everything you need to get started. So why not sign up today and experience the benefits for yourself? And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. I appreciate your support and look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks again for watching.